Good morning, everybody. My name is Keisha, and I wanted to start to do these video series again. I used to do them I started doing them back about a month ago, um, and I kind of fell out of practice with it. And so I really want to get back into doing these videos and sharing with you my love for this product. What you are seeing on your screen is the Pivot Scanner. It is a scanner that was created by iMarkets Live and Lee Allen. Lee Allen has been an educator in iMarkets Live for years. I have followed her for at least 2 years. um, I, I learned how to trade pivots with her. She taught us how to trade pivots before the scanner was even created. She loves to just share her knowledge and share teaching Forex. She is a wonderful person. But she is just one of the many educators that iMarkets Live has. If you are not a member of iMarkets Live, feel free to reach out and we can talk about the opportunities that are available with iMarkets Live. iMarkets Live is a program that or a company that helps us to be able to trade effectively. Okay. Um, Anytime that you do something, you know, you should have a goal in mind. Okay. When I joined iMarkets Live, I had a goal. I had a goal to be financially free. I had a goal to quit my 9 to 5 job. Okay. Um, and I still have that goal. Okay. Hopefully, I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that maybe I would be able to stay at home and trade full time. Okay. The best full-time trader only works like 2 or 3 hours a day. That's it. Okay. And not every week is going to be a good week. For example, this week, there's not been a lot of setups, just because the market is in a lot of consolidation. But with iMarkets Live, they have the tools out there for you to be financially free. It's just what do you do to get to your goals? Um, so goals are really important. Goal setting is really important. If you think about it every day, you have a goal. You have a to-do list. You have things that you need to accomplish. Those are your goals. They may be the same goal over and over and over again, but it's still a goal. Okay? And goals are so important. Goals are so important for your mindset. Okay? Um, this is the pivot scanner. When you log in, you would put your IML credentials in and hit the submit button. And I'm going to try to keep these videos short, so I might not get to everything today, but I will be doing another video tomorrow. When you log in, okay, you have your different components. Are you wanting to trade Forex? Are you wanting to trade your indices, your metals, oils, your digital currencies, which are your cryptos? This is where Lee Allen is going to post her trade ideas. She does um, an advanced trading course and markups, and so maybe she might post a long-term swing trade in here, or maybe she's just going to give you um, her idea on some of the trades. Okay, you can also get to them from up here. This button right here, the settings button, this is where you're going to be able to enter your email address and actually have trade ideas sent to you that are based on the pivot scanner. This is a pivots overview, um, which again, she's a wonderful educator, and so she's going to go step by step by step. You can also, when you join iMarkets Live, you have access to all of her past videos. So you can go back and watch hours and hours and hours of training on the pivots. Okay. Now, we'll go over strategy one and strategy two kind of a little bit, but how often do you want to receive emails? I do daily just because I'm in the pivot scanner all the time. Okay. I do daily. And what time frames are you looking at? If you are unsure, okay, the 15-minute time frame is good for scalping. Okay, 5-10 pips and you'll be out. And this is good for those that are very nervous about holding on to a trade. The 1 hour and 4 hour time frames, those are the longer ones. Your trade may not hit take profit for several hours. Okay, so you just have to let it play out. You have to have the confidence that it's going to play out. Um, so, if you're someone who wants to get in and wants to get out and is scalping the market, then the smaller time frames are for you. When you decide which area you're going to look at, this screen is going to pop up, and it's on strategy 1. Okay, now strategy 1 is the strategy that I like to trade. Okay, I'm going to go to the 1 hour time frame here, maybe. Okay, strategy 1 is the time frame that I like to trade. Okay, and when this screen pops up, you're going to be like, holy cow. Okay, that's okay. Don't be overwhelmed. That video that I showed you back in the settings, that's going to go over a lot of the same stuff. Okay, um, but when you look at it, you're going to see this one has a -3, and there's no 3 up here. That's fine. Okay, this one has a -3, -2, -1. Okay, S0, S1, S2, S3, P4, R R7, I'm sorry, R5, R6, R7, R8, +1 and +2. Okay, now if you can't really see your screen, down here at the bottom, you have these 5 buttons. Okay, the center one is just going to refocus your screen. Okay, if you are someone who knows how to chart, you got your fibs over here, you can write, you can count your pips, you can take a screenshot, you can do all of that. Okay. So this is using strategy 1, and strategy 1 is where you enter on the R8 or the S0. Now, R8, you would enter for a sell, okay? S0, you would enter for a buy. Now, you're like, I can't remember that. That's fine, okay? We're going to go over this again and again and again. So that you get it. I'm just trying to show you a little bit about what the pivot scanner does, okay? The pair over here is EUR AUD. That is the Forex pair. So when you were trading Forex, you would look for that pair, and if you were entering in on a sell, okay, and you would enter that in. This is your time frame, your 1 hour time frame, okay? So these are a lot of times pending orders, okay? So if you were watching this pair, notice here on this candle that it went up, okay? And then when the next hour started, it was kissing the +1 and it went down for the sell, okay? You do not have to trade this entire thing, and most people don't. Most people trade 2 pivot levels, 3 pivot levels, 4 pivot levels, or maybe they go all the way down here to S2, okay? The R's, they stand for resistance, and the S's, they stand for support. This is drawing your support and resistance lines. It also has fibs in it. It also has a lot of other components in here that Lee Allen has created. This is why I love this product so much. This has done the math for you, okay? This is truly the math. Now, it doesn't always go that way. I got in on a trade on Monday and it went 100 pips in the other direction. Now, we always want to enter in a take profit and a stop loss. We always, always, always do. Had I not entered in a stop loss, I would have lost 100 pips. I would have lost a lot of money. Okay. But I had self-control that I entered in a take profit and a stop loss. Okay. I'm trying to keep these videos short for you all. I'm at 9 minutes, so I'm going to finish this one for right now and start another one. But tune in tomorrow for my second one. Again, if you are interested in joining iMarkets Live, let me know. Connect with me, and we will talk about it. Thanks. Bye.